right, y'all. So we made it here to the terminal. We about to load on the ship. And all right, thank you so much. Anything you want to tell the people?
Hey, hello.
Okay, this is our driver who dropped us off, y'all. His name is David.
Have a nice day, sir.
All right, thanks, David. All right, so David took good care of us, bringing us here. Oh, let me tip him, y'all. So, get David a tip. So, David told us that everybody's saying that the Icon of the sea right now is the best ship. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I'll show y'all, well, I don't know. We gonna get on.
This is old. He ain't gonna do that. That's my brother.
Say it again, Keita.
DJ probably said Johnson. I'm sorry, my back is hurt.
Absolutely. I think we walk down here and then cross over.
I think I will.
I'm gonna walk with my bag. I ain't letting them people get my bag. Them people losing bags. They can't get mine. Which way we go to the check-in?
To go in?
Yes.
I been checking in.
No. Which way we go in and walk inside?
Oh, yeah.
So we didn't walk right across the street?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, babe. Tell the people something.
Hello, guys. We're excited.
Okay, y'all. Trying to get on
it.
it.
To see. Our daughter don't want to be on video, so we ain't got to put it on there.
No.
I think you get it wrong.
I think we go down here. That's what he said, didn't it?
I think it's right.
Okay.
Go this way.
Excuse me, sir. We go to check in this way, right?
No, you check in right on the side, right there, the glass door.
Oh, we're going the wrong way.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, thanks,
You're
man.
welcome.
Excuse me. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, man. Right in the glass door. We trying to check in.
It's gonna be zone 7, sir.
Get that Christmas tree. Made the people watching you, bro.
Hey, guys. We going up here. We're excited. I know I probably said that 20 times.
Tell them something. This is the young man who checked us
I
in
just
on the
checked them
ship.
into their cruise, the Icon of the Seas. It's gonna be a wild trip. You guys are gonna enjoy it.
All right, thanks, man.
No problem.
All right, time to go through screening. So we made it to the ship, and we're on it now. We're about to head to our room. All right, babe, you want to say something to him before we go to our room?
No, we want something to eat. We can't get in the boat till 2 o'clock.
Who said that? No, we can get to the room now. Our room's ready. So we made it on the ship, and matter of fact, we got up here a whole lot earlier than anticipated. Even though they give you a time to get on the ship, they're really not concerned with the time. The people say, listen, let's go ahead and go. So my wife and Brooke went and get something to eat. I'm sitting here watching the bags, and I'm gonna go up there, but I see the people get the lobsters, the crab, and man, it looks fantastic. I'm ready to dive in. Haven't had any breakfast, any coffee, anything. Our main goal was just to get on the ship and have a good time. So we got 7 days ahead of us, and this is just the beginning. Oh man, this is, boy, can life get any better? This is my wife's first meal on the cruise. 2 lobsters, king crab, shrimp. Her first meal.
Right, you have to come.
All right, this is my first meal, y'all. Okay, so I got 3 lobsters, king crab, shrimps, got myself a chili dog, barbecue chicken, some bread pudding with sauce, hamburger, and a turkey wing. So this is my first meal.
General Marketplace for your dining experience. Courtesy of all other guests, we kindly request that you vacate the table for completion of your meal to allow your fellow guests an opportunity to also enjoy a wonderful Windjammer dining experience. We thank you for your cooperation and understanding.